Heyo, it's Teddy. Happy Valentine's Day! And for Valentine's Day, I decided to bring on someone special into my video. He's my special little Valentine.
Aww.
This is my fiance, Alfred.
Hello.
Happy Valentine's Day, babe.
Happy Valentine's Day. Love you.
Love you too. And today I'm going to show you guys how to get this beautiful Valentine's Day look. If you like the look and you want to see some more, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and then I'll see you on into the tutorial. First I'm going to take this and we're just going to build up on the crease. This is our transitional shade. And then next we're going to take this one and we're going to just put it right on top of that. Now we're going to take a fluffier brush and we're going to blend it up. So we're going to take this one and then we're going to apply it where we originally were putting it, right in the crease. Alright, now we're going to blend this one in more of a circular sort of motion. The good thing about this look is that you can be super messy in the very beginning because you're going to end up going back over it with some concealer, so don't really worry about it being perfect right in the beginning. So next I'm going to take this very bright pink shimmer and we're just going to take some of that and kind of apply it above, right underneath the brow bone. Now you're going to take a brush that's more straight like that, and we're going to take the darkest color of the reds, it's kind of almost brown, and we're going to put it again right on the crease. Alright, and we're going to take the blending brush again and kind of blend out the dark red into the rest. So next we're going to take something that's more suited for like the bottom waterline, and we're going to take this second red and we're going to apply it right here. Then we're going to go in with the lighter red and we're going to do the inner corner. Now we're going to take this very light pink shimmer and we're just going to apply it right into the corner of the eye, like this. Next you're going to find a concealer. The best concealers that work for this are the lightest shade that you can possibly find. The closer to white the better. If you have a white concealer, that is also grand. We're going to start this off. You're going to put a little bit on the very line of your lash line. And then you look up. So now you have a line of where your cut crease should be. Mine kind of got on my eyelashes, so I have to fix that real fast. So I have one angled brush that is specifically always used for like creams and stuff like that. I put a little bit of the concealer on the lid and then I'm going to use this to carve out the cut crease. Next, I like to put a little bit of the concealer on my hand and just kind of refill in the area because it does get a little sheer. I think if I had a different product, maybe it wouldn't, or if I used more in the first place, it wouldn't, but It's what I'm used to. So next I like to cut the bottom piece a little bit further up off of my crease. You'll see what I'm talking about right here. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and take this. It's like a blue, like a cool colored white shimmer, and I'm just gonna very lightly apply it all to the area of the cut crease. Next, I like to take this kind of cranberry color and map out where I want my wing. Next, I'm going to take a red eyeliner and just apply it as if I were going to do a regular eyeliner and wing it out as well. I like to do the red a little bit extra thick because we're about to go in with the black right underneath it, just so that the red still pops up behind the black. Oh my god, did I leave my black eyeliner?
What did you forget?
I forgot the eyeliner! Ignore my house, it's a freaking mess. Oh wait, I actually really don't want people to see my room. It's a train wreck. I wasn't expecting company, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna get the freaking... I got the eyeliner. Can you close the door? Can you close the door? Come on. Sorry about that. So next we're gonna take some liquid eyeliner and it's gonna be in black, and then we're gonna do our eyeliner again, but we're not doing the wing with the black. So next we're gonna take a concealer that's our actual skin tone, and then we're gonna carve out to make our wing really sharp. Next, we're gonna use one of Ulta Beauty's Velvet Matte lipsticks. So at this point, you could call the look done, but I like to customize it a little bit. I found these little rhinestone stickers, and I think they're fun, and it's, you know, it's a fun holiday. I'm still not fully satisfied. Until, you know, the whole thing has a pound of glitter and too many lashes on it. So I'm gonna put on too many lashes. All right, and there's the look. So there you guys have it. It's a beautiful, dramatic Valentine's Day look. You are free to customize it however you wish. And if you do the look, be sure to post some pictures either on Instagram, Twitter, or on here or on my Snapchat if you guys want to add me there. And if you like the video, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and follow me on Snapchat. Hope you guys have a lovely Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next video. Are you getting something stupid for the outro right now? It's literally just 20 seconds. Ugh. Go look at all the different things that I put on the outro. Like the most current video or most related video, or subscribe. Go do that one. Well, yeah.